I am Professor M.V. Malkanawar, Department of Physics, Government First Grade Women's College, Jamkandi. Today we have to discuss the first sem physics, that is Unit 4, Angular Motions and Elements of Satellite Motion. Session number 32, that is Problem Solving Session. Go to the first problem. Calculate the orbital velocity of a satellite moving close to the Earth. Given acceleration due to gravity g equals to 9.8 meters per second square, radius of the Earth 6,400 kilometers. Go to the solution. Given acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meters per second square, radius of the Earth 6,400 kilometers, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Therefore, orbital velocity of a satellite moving close to the Earth V0 equals to root gr. After substituting the value of g and r, we get the orbital velocity 7.92 km per second. Go through the second problem. When artificial satellite revolves close to the Earth, calculate its period of revolution. Given radius of the Earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 km, g equals to 9.8 meters per second square. You know time period of the revolution t equals to 2 pi root r by g. Substitute the value of r, substitute the value of g, you get 5076 seconds. Go through the third problem. Calculate the minimum velocity required by a satellite for orbiting around the Earth. Given radius of the Earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, acceleration due to gravity g equals to 9.8 meters per second square. The minimum orbital velocity required by a satellite for orbiting around the Earth is V0 equals to root gr. Substitute the value of g, substitute the value of r, we get 7.92 km per second. Now, go through the fourth problem. Calculate the escape velocity of a body from the moon surface if the radius of the moon is 1.7 into 10 to the power 6 meter and acceleration due to gravity 1.63 meters per second square on the surface of the moon. Escape velocity of the body v equals to root 2 gr. Acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1.63 and radius of the moon is 1.7 into 10 to the power 6. Substitute and simplify, we get v equals to 2.354 km per second. Go through the fifth problem. Escape velocity on the Earth is 11.2 km per second. Calculate the escape velocity on the planet whose radius is twice that of the Earth and whose mass is thrice that of the Earth. Let me be the mass of the Earth and mp be the mass of the planet and re be the radius of the Earth and rp be the radius of the planet. Given that radius of the planet equals to 2 times the radius of the Earth and mass of the planet equals to 3 times the mass of the Earth, escape velocity on the Earth v, by mistake it is on the planet but it is on the Earth, v equals to 2 gme by re root. Take it as equation 1. Escape velocity on the planet Vp equals to 2 gmp by rp root. Take it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, Vp by V equals to under the square root 2 gmp by rp into re by 2 gme. After simplification, Vp by V equals to under the root mp by rp into re by me. In the next step, write Vp by V equal to under the root, in place of mass of the planet you substitute 3 times the mass of the Earth, that is 3 me. In place of Rp, you substitute 2 RE, that is twice that of the radius of the earth. Put RE by ME as it is under the root. Vp equals to, after simplification, root 1.5 into VE. Vp equals to root 1.5. Escape velocity of the planet is 11.2 km per second. Therefore, Vp equals to 13.66 km per second. Given that, problem number 6, given that orbital period of the planet Jupiter around the Sun is 11.86 the Earth year. Calculate its distance from the Sun in terms of the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Assume that orbit is circular. Given that period of the Jupiter Tj equals to 11.86 year, that is the Earth year, that is 11.86 TE. Now, you know the square of the period of the revolution is directly proportional to cube of the semi-major axis, that is Tj square equals to Rj cube. T square equal to Tj square proportional to Rj cube, T square proportional to Re cube. Therefore, Tj square by T square, that is period of Jupiter divided by period of Earth. Tj square by T square equals to Rj cube by Re cube. Therefore, Rj cube equals to Tj by T bracket square into Re cube. In place of Tj, you substitute 11.83, that is period of the Earth, Te. Then write Re cube as it is. After simplification, Rj cube equals to 140.65 into Re cube. After taking cube root, Rj equals to cube root of 140.65 into Re, that is Rj equals to 5.2 times the radius of the Earth, that is distance of Jupiter is 5.2 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Now go through the 7th problem. An artificial satellite revolves around the Earth in a circular orbit at a distance of 1600 km from the surface of the Earth. Find the orbital velocity and period of revolution of the satellite. Given mass of the Earth is 6.016 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Radius of the Earth is 6400 km and gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Go through the solution. Height of the satellite above the surface of the Earth 1600 km, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Mass of the Earth 6.016 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and radius of the Earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, and universal gravitational constant G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Observe here, orbital velocity of the satellite is given by V0 equals to Gm by R plus H root. Substitute the values of G, M, R and H. Simplify, we get 7.082 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. That is 7.082 kilometer per second. Period of revolution of the satellite, T equal to circumference divided by orbital velocity. T equals to circumference 2 pi R plus H divided by orbital velocity V0. Substitute the value of R, H and V0. We get period of the satellite 7.1 into 10 to the power 3 seconds. Thank you to one and all.